Hi, it's Josh. I'm going to teach you how to make a sparkler bomb. So things you'll need are sparklers, an Easter egg. Any Easter egg is fine. Here, put it together for you. Easter egg that should look like that. Easter egg. A container with knife, Easter eggs. And that's in, oh yeah. And, scissors. And electrical tape. Last but not least, pliers. Okay, so, and you might need like a bag or something. Put down, like so. Put your container there. Oops, put your container there. Knife and everything over here. Okay. What you're gonna want to do is, 1 minute. Take one sparkler out of the bag like this. Set that to the side. And then take your rest of your sparklers and the bowl. Or you can do this one at a time, just getting all the stuff off, but I'm just going to do it all of them at once because this is easier for me to do, so here we go. Okay, actually no. I'll just do this one at a time again, like I did one at a time last time. It worked really good. So you're gonna put your pliers and basically just try to get all that dust, whatever it's called. I don't know what it's called, but trying to get all the gray stuff off of the sparkler stick. Set them over there when you're done. And then you're going to want to do this to all the videos. Yeah? Where are we going?
Hockey practice.
Oh, okay, 1 minute. Guess I'll have to make the rest of the video after my hockey. The hockey net. Alright, and then you're basically going to end up with that. Oh, hold on. Then you're going to end up with that gray stuff right there. So, finish the video later. Bye.